કેમ છો બધા? તો આજે આપણે કરવાનું છે ચેપ્ટર 1 exercise 1.1. So here you can see that you have a first question: which of the following are set? Justify your answer. Simply we have to only determine in these following questions which we call a set or not a set. So you have a first question: the collection of all the month of the year beginning with the letter J. So we know this thing that we have a set of starting with J letter is the January, June and July. So this is a set. First answer is your set. The collection of 10 most talented writer in the India. So here if we ask person to person, there is change in element of set. So we don't say it is a set. Third question is a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Here also if we ask person to person, there is change in an element of set, so we don't consider as a set. The collection of all the boys in your class is also a set. The collection of natural number less than 100 is also a set. A collection of novel writing by the Munshi Premchand is also a set. The collection of all even integer is also a set. The collection of all the question of this chapter is also a set. A collection of most dangerous animal of the world. Here you can see that if we ask person to person, there is change in a element of set, so we don't consider as a set, so this is not a set. So we have a second example. Here you can see that we have a set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Insert the approximate symbol belongs to or does not belongs to in the bracket of space. So we only have to determine that if given below given numbers is belongs to A or does not belongs to A. Here you can see that you have a first question is 5. So we can see that 5 is belongs to A. So we can write that 5 belongs to A. 8. We see that 8 is not belongs to A. So we can write that 8 does not belongs to A. 0 also does not belongs to A. So 0 does not belongs to A. 4 belongs to A. 4 belongs to A. 2 also belongs to A. 2 belongs to A. 10. We don't have an element 10 in a set A. So we can write that 10 does not belongs to A. We have a third question. Write the following set in a roster form. Here we have a 6 question in a set builder form. We have to convert in a roster form. So we have a first question: A is equal to x. X is an integer and -3 less than or equal to x less than 7. Here we have a printing mistake. Here -3 less than x less than 7 है. So we have a set A is equal to -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So we convert a set builder form to the roster form. Second, we have a B is equal to x, jहाँ x is a natural number less than 6. So we have a natural number less than 6 is 1 2 3 4 and 5. We have a third question. Cx is a two-digit natural number such that the sum of its 8. We have to determine the two number digit and its sum is 8. So we can starting from 1. So 1 and 7, sum of it 8, 2 and 6, 3 and 5, 4 and 4, 5 and 3, 6 and 2, 7 and 1, 8 and 0. We can see that all of this number is sum of it 8 and all this number is two digit number. We have a fourth question. D is equal to x is a prime number which is divisor of 16. So prime number and which is divisor of 16 means D is equal to, we have element 2, 3 and 5. If we divide in this way, 60 divide with 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5 and 1. 2 is repeating, so we can don't consider, so we can only write one time. So 2, 3 and 5 is our answer. Fifth one is the set of all the letter in the word of trigonometry. So simply we in this trigonometry we know this thing. If some letter is repeating, we only write in a one time. T R G O N. O is repeating, but we write one time, so we don't write again. M E. T is also repeating, R is also repeating, and Y. So we have roster form. F, same. B, E, T, T also repeating, E also repeating. So we left with the R. We have a fourth question. Write the following set in a set builder form. We have a question in a roster form. We have to convert in a set builder form. Here we have a set 3, 6, 9 and 12. This all number is multiple of 3. So we can write that x is equal to 3 and multiple of 3 means 3n. N belongs to natural number capital N and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to n travels from 1 to 4. Second question we have 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So this is common. X is equal to, we know this thing. Here we can see that here is a 2 raised to n, increasing the power of n. So n belongs to capital N and n travel from where to where? 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5. Same again, 5, 25, 125, 625. X. Here we have a increase in 2 raised to n. Here increase in 2 raised to 5 raised to n. So 5 raised to n, n belongs to capital N and small n travels in which number? 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. Fourth one we have a 2, 4, 6. All the even number from a natural number. So we can write that x is an even number, even natural number, the set of even natural number. Fifth one we have a 1, 4, 9, 200. Here we have a square of each element. So we can write that x is equal to n square, where n belongs to capital L and small n travel from 1 to 10. So we can write the roster form to set builder form. Fifth question, we have a list all the element of following sets. So we have a convert into a roster form and write all the element which belongs to this set. So we have a first question. A is equal to x. X is an odd natural number. Odd natural number means 1, 3, 5 and 2 infinite. Second, we have a x an integer between where to where, -1/2 to 9/2. So -1/2 means minus 0.5 less than x less than 4.5. So in this number we have an integer 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. See, we have x is an integer x square less than or equal to 4. So we can put minus, but we have a square, so we consider as a plus. -1, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. We put all the values is less than or equal to 4 we get. D, we have x is a letter of word loyal. So we have repeating word only one time. So L, O, Y and A. L is also repeating, so we cannot write it again. We have a E is equal to x. X is a month of year not having 31 days. So we have that month February, April, June, September and November. Last question, we have x. X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. If we have a Vyanjan, we have a vowel, so we don't write it here. We only have to write a consonants. So we have A is also vowels. So we can don't write B, C, D, also a vowel E, F, G, H, I also a vowels. So we can don't write H and J. We have a last question, sixth one. Match each of the set builder form to the roster form. We have here is the roster form and here we have a set builder form. We have to match following answer. So we can see that 1, 2, 3 and 6. So we can see here x is a natural number is divisor of 6. So we have a first to see. Second we have 2 and 3. So is a prime number of divisor of C. So second go with the A. Third one is a mathematics, word of mathematics letter. So third one goes to D. And last we have a fourth one goes to B. 1, 3, 5, 9 odd natural number less than 10.